Okay. Is it recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to talk a little bit about sources of light that come from different types of atoms. And I'm going to model for you one of these really great examples of a source of light. Oopsie. So let's talk about, we have some light energy coming in and hitting this atom. Specifically, it's hitting the electron. Now, what type of energy is this? What type, from your lovely electromagnetic spectrum lesson, what could I call this right here? Yeah, I'm going to call it ultraviolet light. Usually it's ultraviolet light. And this is what it does to these electrons. It causes these electrons to do, now I'm going to model it, and you're going to use the words to tell me what I'm doing. So look up here. It causes the electron, if this ultraviolet light hits that electron right here, it's going to do that. Okay, so now we're going to work on the language for that, and I just heard you say it, but I want to work on the language. Think about it. How would you do, Miss Webb does that with her hand. It's like an enzyme game, but this is not an enzyme. It jumps.
I think I know what it is.
It jumps. Okay, do that. It jumps to another shell. If you refreshing your memory, these are shells in your Bohr Rutherford. So it jumps to another shell. That jumping, I'm okay with orbits too. Shell or orbit.
Oh, shell.
On the shell. There's another way we use to describe this, and it's very much like protein number 3. When photons of light, now we can use that language, photons of light hit protein number 3, it causes those electrons to start vibrating that are found in it. And another way we describe this is the electron becomes excited and jumps. It can jump one shell or orbit, it could jump 2. It varies, depending on what the atom is. We don't know what it is yet. So if this electron spends some time on this shell, it is ultimately is attracted back to where it came from. Are you okay with that? So to return to its original shell or orbit. Make sense? I'm going to tell you something about when this electron returns to its original shell, it's going to release some light. What did we decide? Did we decide to do a color on this yesterday or the other day?
Color?
Can you just stop it for a minute?